Hey Fishy People, welcome back to the channel. I'm coming at you with another video. This time we're talking about food, but not just any food. This is another awesome freeze-dried food by Hikari that I do like to give to all of my tanks as a special treat. This is the Hikari freeze-dried bloodworms. So let's get right into this video. So this is what Hikari has to say about the food. It says it's an excellent, higher protein, natural food for most tropical and select marine fishes. This highly flavorful full treat is a freeze-dried form of the typically accepted by almost any fish it is fed. Our pharmaceutical-grade freeze-drying technique allows for us to give you a product as close to fresh bloodworms as humanly possible. Expect color, texture, and taste not previously expected in freeze-dried food. That seems to be what they say about all their freeze-dried foods, so it's clearly just a copy and paste, but it does hold true. So, since it's a freeze-dried food, it does come with little silica packets, like I've shown y'all before, that help contain moisture. Word of advice, I would not take them out, because yes, the food will get mushy if you take them out. They use a pharmaceutical-grade dehydration method, so they can, encapsulate all those good vitamins into the food that our fish normally wouldn't get from the regular food. There's of course no artificial colors or preservatives in the food, and they say it is free of parasites. Now the ingredients for this are as follows. Freeze-dried bloodworms, because that is what the goodness part of this is. It also has vitamin C, B2, and B12 as a supplement. The crude protein is 55%, the crude fat is 4%, and the fiber is 3.3%. Now, this food's a great one to just add into your feeding regimen for all your fish. It's going to provide a wonderful source of natural protein, and it's something that these fish would be eating in the wild anyway, if they were wild-caught fish. They eat bloodworms in the wild. This is the freeze-dried version of said worm. They also have a lower moisture count than some other freeze-dried bloodworms, so the majority of the weight in your container is of course going to be in the form of food and not in the form of moisture in the food, which just means you're getting a higher quality food. Personally, I feed this to all my fish, so that means tetras, rasboras, bettas, koi cats, the catfish, the rainbows, the guppies, the wild bettas, and all my fish love it when they get to eat it. I've never had anyone not accept it. And I do actually use this as a primary food source. And by that, I mean that when I feed this is the main thing I'm feeding. I'm not feeding it with anything extra thrown in. Everything just goes to the Hikari freeze-dried bloodworm, and I don't mix it with anything else. Overall, this is an awesome food that I like to use, and I'm so happy I started using it about 3 years ago when I couldn't find frozen foods, and I heard about frozen foods being a good thing to feed. And when I compare it to other freeze-dried bloodworms, I've not had any issue with bloating or anything of that nature. Speaking of which, I just had someone message me the other day about a betta fish that they started feeding a different freeze-dried bloodworm, and the betta fish actually got extremely bloated and ended up dying about a week after. Now, I have fed other versions of a freeze-dried bloodworm, and I did have that issue with some of betta fish. They were getting extremely bloated, and I actually had to stop feeding it and fast them and take care of that. These, on the other hand, I was able to feed no problem, even if without rehydrating them with some water first, and my fish have not had any issues, so I do feel comfortable recommending these to people that want to try a freeze-dried bloodworm if they cannot find frozen or fresh. So, for all the good things that come with this and the convenience of this container right here, you literally just flip this, pour, bloodworms come out, and you don't really have to do anything special. And that we don't have to touch them because some people are allergic to freeze-dried foods. For all the reasons, I'm going to give this food a perfect 10 out of 10. Always, thank you all so much for the support on the video. If you are new here, you enjoy this kind of content, maybe think about hitting that sub button. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've used Hikari freeze-dried bloodworms, if you've used other freeze-dried bloodworms and you had issues with them. Let me know. And of course, leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it. And until next time, I will see you guys around.